So I got them to fully work, but the knees might drop or possibly get stuck because there's two gears that have one tooth missing in the knees, and I don't have any gears like that, so it'll be like that till I have gears for it. Yeah, it just dropped. So, pretty much what I had to do was replace the belt in both the knee or leg mechanism and the swaying mechanism. And the leg, this leg, the pin was out, so I just had to slide that back in, glue it back in. And then I didn't notice, I was kind of looking around to see if everything else was fine, and then I pulled this up, and the leg piece right here, that the knob is on that makes the legs like move up and down, the one on this side was broken, so I had to take that out and glue it. And it broke like right where there's like two pieces right here, and then it like kind of goes into one piece onto the like torso or whatever right here. The part that goes into the one piece was the part that was broken, so I had to glue that back, and luckily it seemed like it glued pretty good and it stays in. But yeah, the only problem is those two gears have a tooth broken off of one. So yeah, but other than that, it works fine. And oh yeah, that's another thing, I don't know how, but the mouthpiece is missing, so yeah. The bottom of it. It has this kind of battery compartment. The batteries might fall out of it. Now I can't get the door back in. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I've wanted Jazzman for a while.